The Mifaso multi-plug surge protector helps keep your space organized and your devices powered safely. This device powers 9 electronics at once, using 6 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, making it perfect for your charging needs. An integrated shelf creates extra space, moving devices off your counters, while the anti-slip mat keeps them secure. Built-in channels help hide messy cables, keeping your cords organized and firmly in place behind the shelf. Smart IC technology automatically detects your connected device, delivering fast, optimal power of up to 15 watts. Designed for safety, this protector blocks power spikes with 490 joules of protection and features a fireproof shell for added peace of mind. The device fits standard and decor wall outlets perfectly, though it is not compatible with GFCI or two-prong outlets. Installation is quick and easy. Just plug the unit into your wall and tighten the center screw for total stability. With its versatile design, you can keep your counters clear and charge your devices conveniently in any room. For those interested in the details, this device supports up to 1875 watts and is built to handle heavy daily usage safely. Mifaso is a trusted choice, backed by thousands of positive customer reviews and a 30-day return guarantee through Amazon.